Lecture 8, Organizing Schedules and Study Plans. It's easy to fall behind when everything feels urgent. Assignments, readings, quizzes, and part-time jobs, all competing for your attention. That's where organization becomes essential. But organizing your time doesn't have to mean buying a planner or downloading a new app. With just a clear prompt, ChatGPT can help you plan your week, break down big tasks, and keep track of what needs to be done almost like a digital study assistant. In this lecture, we will learn how to use ChatGPT to create practical, personalized study schedules. We'll look at how to plan your week, prioritize tasks, and adjust as your workload shifts. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to create a personalized study plan using ChatGPT, use prompts to organize your week or break down daily tasks, prioritize assignments by urgency and workload, make quick adjustments as new tasks come up. How ChatGPT can help you stay organized. Let's say you have got a busy week ahead. 3 exams, 2 assignments, and not enough hours in the day. Instead of trying to juggle everything in your head, you can ask ChatGPT to build a schedule around your availability and goals. Start by telling it what subjects you need to study, when you are free, and what deadlines you have coming up. The clearer your input, the better the result. Example 1. Weekly study plan. For that, you can just give it a prompt as create a weekly study schedule for psychology, economics, and biology. But you have to specify that how many hours you have. For example, I am available after 4 p.m. on weekdays and free all day Sunday. I have exams in psychology and economics next Monday, and press enter. So here you get is a full week broken down into manageable study blocks, prioritizing the subjects with upcoming exams and spacing out the workload. You can follow up with, can you please make a table for this? And press enter. Within a few seconds, the whole schedule above will be in the form of table. Example 2. Daily task list. Sometimes you just need to help organizing a single day. For that, you can just give it a prompt as, give me a to-do list for tomorrow evening. I need to revise for a history quiz, outline a science report, and prepare talking points for class presentation. I have 3 hours after dinner. I have 3 hours after dinner, and press enter. ChatGPT can break this down with suggested time slots and ordering based on urgency or difficulty. You can always give more specific prompts to get the results according to your needs. Example 3. Prioritizing tasks. When everything feels important, it's hard to know where to start. ChatGPT can help you prioritize based on your input. For example, you just give it a prompt as I have to review lecture notes, write an essay intro, and complete two online quizzes tonight. Which should I do first? And how should I divide time? And press enter. So it will consider the type of work and time constraints and help you structure your evening clearly.